What's going on, everybody, man? So, I don't know if y'all was on my live stream. I don't know if I said it on the live stream or if I said it in the Discord. But anyway, I've decided to give fast track trading a try. It's I was looking at YouTube one day and it popped up on my, a video of a guy popped up on my feed, and I just clicked it. I didn't know what he was talking about. It was just, I always be watching different trading videos, and he was talking about a relatively new firm called Fast Track Trader, right? And so I'm sitting there looking at it, and what they do, they offer what they call instant funding. And what instant funding is, you pay one fee, and they automatically put you in an account where you're funded. So you're in a sim account automatically where you can trade according to the rules and start withdrawing in as little as 5 trading days, right? And in order to do the 5 trading day withdrawal, you have to consistently make I think it's at least $250 per day, 5 days in a row. So you got the 5-day withdrawal got to be 5 days in a row. They got to be consecutive. You can't like trade, but if you don't trade 5 days consecutive, then you just fall into the 10 trading day thing where it's just 10 trading days. They don't have to be consecutive, and then you can make a withdrawal then if you're above the threshold. So they relatively new. They the only way they got, only means of payment that they have right now is via wire transfer or ACH. So I did the wire transfer. Today is the 5th of July, and I ordered it. Let me just pull up my screen. I ordered it yesterday on the 4th of July. Today is the 5th of July. I ordered it yesterday on the 4th of July, yesterday afternoon, and I don't know if, I guess because my bank was closed. It's called Fast Track Trading. Their website is fasttracktrading.net. This is what their website look like right now. So I went with the Rally. The Rally is a 25K account. You can go through and look at their different things. I went with the Rally. If you're looking at this and saying like, man, that's expensive, it's just, you just paying just to go into a funded account. You don't have to pay the eval fee, and then once you pass the eval, pay the assignment fee. You just pay, pretty much you're just paying the assignment fee and then starting to trade. Is pretty much what it is. That's my take on it. They got their own rules. You can go and I ain't talk about the rules. I'm just letting y'all know that I'm trying this out, and I'll let you know if I like it or not. Right? If I like it or not. If they legit, if they really pay. Since I'm buying right into this right here, I ain't gonna be YOLOing and acting crazy. I'm gonna trade it like my regular funded accounts. You know what I'm saying? I ain't promising that I'm gonna give you a play-by-play of this. I don't know how much I'm gonna update y'all on this right here, but I'm just letting y'all know I'm trying this out. And so I did the Rally. Right now they're doing 30% off. I think when they first started, they was doing 50% off. So you can get any of these here for 50% off. You can do up to 20 accounts, right? It say the maximum is 20 accounts, right? The minimum trade days is 5. They got end of day drawdown. On the Rally, the 25K account, you can only trade up to 2 minis or 20 micros, right? So, you can't go super crazy, with the YOLO. I guess because it's straight into funding. You going straight into funding where you can get paid out, right? And so that's them. That's their website. That's what it looks like now. They said their website gonna be changing soon. And I like the whole theme of the fast track trading, and they got like the racetrack and all they things is named after like racing stuff like Rally, Daytona, Grand Prix, Formula One. I thought that was kind of cool. You know what I'm saying? They baited me in. What? The one thing that I really don't like about it right now is I can't trade with Ninja Trader yet. right? I joined their Discord, like, because I started researching them like last week. Like it popped up, and that's another reason why I was, if y'all remember, when I was on one of the videos, I was saying I was oh no, I talked about that in the Discord. I was researching how to use our Trader Pro on my phone. Is because I was thinking about, you know, considering trying them, and I either got to use just Rhythmic, use their R Trader, or I got to use like another platform like Quant Tower and this other stuff that I don't know. I ain't got time to be trying to, you know what I'm saying, learn a new software. So as of now, they put out something in their Discord saying that, you know, they got their first set of contracts over from Tradeovate, right? So Tradeovate is not set up yet. I did ask a question in their Discord where, you know, if I want to trade through Ninja Trader and Tradeovate, do I need to wait for Tradeovate to come on board, or will I just be able to choose Tradeovate later? Somebody in there, I don't know if it was an admin or not, they was like, yeah, they'll switch you over. So we gonna see. And if they won't switch me over, then I do know how to use our Trader Pro on my phone. I don't know how to use it on the computer. I know how to use it on my phone, but we'll see how it go, man. We'll see how it goes. So that's their site. They see yesterday I signed up with them right here. This is the first email. I got 3 emails in a row, right? I'm gonna have to blur that out. It's got some information that y'all don't need to see up there. I'm gonna have to blur that out up there on the last one I just got. So this the email they sent me here yesterday at 12:47. That's when I signed up for it. They automatically sign you up with the affiliate program. Just off rip. All I did was went in, and so the way it worked was, right, when I went in, I clicked on like the buy now, right, and it goes here like that, and then you got to check these little things here, right, and you see it say 179 right there, right, and then I hit proceed to checkout, right, and then I'm gonna have to blur all of this right here because it's got all my personal information, and right over here it says click here if you got the coupon code. So you click that, and I think the coupon code was like fast track trading _30, right? I think that's what it was. Yeah, that's it. And then so it's like 125, and then you hit like place order, right? You hit place order. And once you hit place order, then it does nothing. It does nothing. They show you a screen where they say, hey, you got to send us a ACH or a wire transfer, or you can pay in crypto. I don't know about crypto. So, right, it's a bank info provided after checkout. So you click it and it do nothing, right? It don't charge you nothing. It don't do nothing. They just got to order and they waiting on you, right? So then you have to go to your bank, and at your bank, you see here, that's the one email they sent me, right? And then this is the other email they sent me. I'm about to blur that out too, right? And then this is the email right here. This is, I done went too low. Okay, so this is the email right here. It's a lot of personal information in these. I might stop going through these emails, but you have to use this information to either set up the ACH payment or set up the wire transfer, right? I did wire transfer. For my bank, it costs $20 to do a wire transfer. So in essence, I paid $145.30, right? Because with the 30% off, it's $125.30, and then my bank charged me $20 to do the wire transfer. So it's $145.30 what I paid. Now, yesterday when I was trying to do the bank transfer, you see it was on 4th of July, right? It wasn't working. Probably because my bank was closed, and it kept saying it's after 4, it can be scheduled for tomorrow, but it wouldn't go through. So today, you can see here at 10:17, right, I got up this morning and I went in, and you see right here say wire transfer initiated, right there. That was at 10:17 this morning. Wire transfer was made 10:17. It's just telling me I initiated a wire transfer. And then here at 10:50, I got an email from my bank saying, hey, your wire transfer has been completed. Right? So, and then I got an email from Fast Track at 12:37, right, saying, oh, we got your order, it's being processed. Because when I initially did it over here, it said the status was on hold. It was like the status of the order when you go into my account, it was saying on hold. So now, oh, I got an email from them. So from 10:17, I did a wire transfer. 10:50, my bank said, hey, the wire transfer done. 12:36, I get an email from them saying, hey, we got your order, we processing it. And then I got another email from them at 3:17 saying, hey, thank you for shopping with us, everything's set up. You know what I'm saying? And 3:17, that's the one I said I had to block it out because it's showing my username and password up there on the email. So I got to block that out over there. So all in all, so far it's been going relatively smooth. Now I just got to go in and set up. Matter of fact, I guess I'll do that. I got so much blurring I got to do. I'll just go ahead and do that now and blur out what I need to blur out. Okay, let's see here. I'll come here. All right, for RTrader Pro login. Okay. It says, please be sure to download RTrader Pro before launching your favorite rhythmic trading application in order to sign the market data entitlement forms. Right? So I already got RTrader Pro downloaded because I use it with Apex. All right, and you got to pick Chicago area. All right, that's the same place. Okay, so now it's gonna be a headache. I don't want to do it on. I guess I'll do it on my computer and just sign back in with Apex. I may just end up setting this up on my phone. I may just end up setting this up on my phone because get my username. All right. Okay. Password. Copy. Password. And then system. Okay. All right. So I got to go to Rhythmic Paper Trading System. Boom. Rhythmic Paper Trading System and Chicago area. All right. Got it. Okay. Log in. Need to pop over on that screen. Okay. All right. Mandatory. All right. The UTA, same old. Same old. And which one was that I clicked? All right, open that up. All right, so I clicked down, self-certified. All right, same old, UTA. All right, I agree. Okay, agreed on this right here. Okay, so now let's close that. All right, Rhythm Paper Trader, no market data. Oh, maybe because the market closed. I don't know. Maybe because the market closed. Let me see, trader dashboard. Yep, there it is right there. The rally account right there. That is correct. And then, no, that ain't how you do it. It's one of these up here, how you stick it in there. Attach window, there it is right there. It's the attach window. That's how you put it inside the box right there. Okay. So, there it is. So that's the rally account. I guess it's saying no market data because the market closed, I'm assuming. So there it is, got the 25K right there. And then the minimum balance. The minimum balance is 23,750. So what is that? 1250. What's that? 1250. Yeah, auto liquidation. Is that 1250? Is my math mathing? All right. Is my math mathing? Is that 1250? All right. So I think it's 1250. So the 25, 1, 2, 3 minus 23,750. Yes, 1250 is the max loss limit. So the max loss limit is 1250 for the 25K. Yeah, I'll let y'all know how I like it. As far as like if I got any issues getting the payout, more than likely I'm gonna take my time with it. I'm gonna trade it like my normal funded accounts. Ain't nothing guaranteed. All I got is 1250 in drawdown. So hey, might mess around and blow it. But you know, try my best not to blow it. I only got 1250 in drawdown. So I'll probably take my time with it and see how I like it, man. I let y'all know if I like it or not. I ain't, like I said, I ain't gonna promise that I'm gonna be updating y'all, so don't be asking me, hey Tim, what's going on with your fast track trading account? You wanna know, go do it yourself, man. I'll come back and let y'all know how I feel about it. Anyway, till the next time I decide to get on Al Gore's internet, man. Y'all be safe out here in these trading streets, man. Gone. Yeah.